Hi, friends. Today we're going to learn 10 useful restaurant words and phrases in English. The next time you eat out, you'll sound just like a native speaker. Let's start. To order. To order means to ask for food or drinks in a restaurant. To reserve a table. To reserve a table means to book your seat in advance. To pay the bill. To pay the bill means to give money for what you ate or drank. To tip means to give extra money to the waiter for good service. Menu. A menu is the list of food and drinks in a restaurant. Appetizer. An appetizer is a small dish before the main meal. Main course. The main course is the big main meal. Dessert. A dessert is a sweet dish after the meal. Beverage. A beverage is any drink. Receipt. A receipt is the paper that shows what you paid. Great job! Now you know how to talk like a pro at a restaurant. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can learn too. See you next time.